Ni probably brain a be in sem obi can say the other be trending, the other be kuni ni man say the be hu aka na ho asem. No wo betina chi aka say ebi a omo ye ni ye na say no omo ye ni ye. Me di MC Berryman and also betimi afre me Berryman. Abo me di ameje so say Sammy Flex Peace, your #1 entertaining, educative, and of course informative. Hase, you can't sem, and you can't sem the chirimu. And because patron will feel Hase there, now we say, we be the dean and we be a currency, the digital rasta, papa, intim, chemo, Nana Regan, Lapiji, and now face Richie the finest boy Flex, and also me Monatembia, yeah, the Bremo, Joe. I hope say be on way. And Brassame,
big man.
Did you have a body?
Charlie, weekend night start with my Wednesday. Oh, weekend in the Afa. Because train say lightning bogu and it's an IE.
I was also weekend
lightning bogu, they saw it. And it means that the Beyonce when I make a sense and so deep. But last Friday, a call, a comrade pub. I'm trying to right.
Yeah, I'm not light Friday, me ben light Friday.
David, we say is also in Yevle. Why late? Very late. What is that? Sammy Flex TV. Udim Yevle. David, why late?
You will say then you come and say, "Ane Queen Hazel, one video, a music video, could try." No, we can say MC Berryman. Oh, you need to maybe a man. Yes, me go so light, muna. Me share na me a man kodi. Afi me jina kwa me ti light ibe too many. Hey, currency. Yame na je. Bibi abo ko dia. Brasa me.
Big man.
You can trending. Obi to me yen hu fi no dia trending. Obi to me chese oyine hu go no dia trending. Obi to me can send bebre no dia trending. Na me hwe nipa bi ana say celebrities ana subi ana suban bi ana obi a public figure bi wo hono ma o kase o ye bibi no dia pe trending like or dia trendy aya yemfa ne say obi to say sa kodie Samini,
okay,
Stonebwoy, and one don Shatta. Can they be like so? Okay, me can't say we and I may yes and ye and they are trendy now.
Oh, trendy there. In fact, Obi I be to me the trendy. Me sure say and che and the Twitter handle of President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. The details are sketchy for me at the moment because of Shatta and me who deep. Okay, and Abamichim. Okay. I think say Shatta did something and now say Obia say BB and the Twitter handle, the official Twitter handle of the president. A tweety BB. I did not tweety, you know. Now a more of a youthful kind of vibe. Yeah. Message or you see now and yet the official normal presidential messenger you be who or you see some time be and or tweety. That tweet it was for trends. But the trends, no, you were the positive trends and you were the negative trends. At what time will be a baby subakono? Ubebi sound say, what is the person's motive? Enti Shatta bit maybe just for the trends alone. Forget about his stature. Forget about how big he is in the industry. Obet maybe just for trends.
But then Oba no be being okay, I'm just doing it to trend. Do you think so? Bit a Shatta bit Asaase?
The only backup person or achieve it at the end of the day. I know what you are talking about. Okay. It's a call straight now. Money.
All right. So you go straight to the money. President of the high grade family. And a bedroom maybe no. Yes, I mean, once you can see. On name Stonebwoy, any Shatta Wale, any of course sound clash. Asaase FM. Asaase radio. I mean, issues here by and now what you say now stop Samini near bread ending or kengum or kenjegum or kenjegum and then or the above one thing say Sanima win now or yina now or the trend or the trend now the person read the big to and as near or no I can't it's a rich is one as well director I'll wait to follow up now it won't be a call on now or say and I quote my rants on social media about was to have me trend, and I achieved that. It was my smart way to get involved as well. There is still unfinished business between me and Shatta Wale. I wasn't surprised to see Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale's name come up for the sound clash. My longevity in the game is a good reason enough to include me in sound class such as this one. I don't see the reason why anyone would disagree with me on this. This is from Shatta, Samini. Now, I don't see me and Stonebwoy having fun. Having a heads on sound clash in a competitive bout, because father and son don't have to do that. Perhaps it would have to be a family vibe, sort of, with Stonebwoy on the microphone. If anything between me and Stonebwoy on the microphone, it will be more like a party clash and not anything so serious. It still remains a family thing between me and Stonebwoy forever. High grade family, and of course, Beam Nation are family forever, and I won't change the narrative.
Big man.
Asema me person make say Samini pia bonting abeka me MC Berima, and of course the whole wild world say Takashi all call back and then forth and then deny just all about the Asaase radio and then sound clash issue and I said that Nina just for trend. Obi to say Samini or yes hadi way. Do you think it's a good vibe?
The statement from Samini doesn't make him look good. He could have just called for peace between Stonebwoy and himself. Naka betia say, oh, asemna atuotra. But that statement, now I don't know what question he was asked. Mantie interview or your cancer no. Minim question I bisa no. A manika assassin no timi ye open say my rant on Stonebwoy and the Asaase sound clash was just for me to trend and get me to be part of it. To me, I think it is wrong. Now, let me also tell you why he feels also Kasa. When he said on this Stonebwoy and Sammy CC, so many people were not too sure about it. They were not sure about it because they feel, Sammy is a big boy. Say Stonebwoy akwarampo aye bibia. A coin was also fast addressing and yet publicly. He could have addressed it in any way that he feels. If your person on this Stonebwoy settle on some now, Stonebwoy is a small boy. Or friends, Stonebwoy, come to my house right now. I'm sure Stonebwoy ain't yet disobedient on that. Stonebwoy will go because only said the Godfather, and Stonebwoy has said on countless occasions said the Godfather is Samini. Sure. It's not social media where opinions will obviously be divided. It is social media, no matter how right you are. Who bet now how man for judge asem na forget to. The social media court they don't judge with logic. It even say me ni won yasem. I am very right. Let me go and put it out on social media. Now me addressing the issue. Obi beba benya asem aka. Sa asem no trans now job because asem no akwa can so say pay attention to it. That is how the social media court is. It is a Samini ehuni say publicly, I can address this issue, say this and say that and go scot-free there, then you also got it wrong. Because if you realize that, time and Samini course, public opinion court, and court in favor of Samini for some people, especially those who were Stonebwoy fans. They didn't see any sense in what Samini was saying. Though it was sensible, but they didn't pay attention to it. They thought, today, it is still Stonebwoy who is our God. We will continue to support one God. It is a meaning person sad any linger on with people. Because on my side any linger on a Kai say as it stands now, Samini ye bibia high grade for supporting. Samini ye bibia high grade for supporting. Same way being natives as a supporting. Until you have double numbers. The same way Stonebwoy ya dia high grade for supporting. Being native for supporting. Because oh, we are one blood. Sure. It is also when it said Wama made diffuse adreno and free a man for trim na ekawa. What it means is the next time obey baby no sank of holding them and supporting. I'm sure that job pushed him to say that. Say whatever I did with Stonebwoy was for the trends. But I still think, bro, the brand is too big. he couldn't have joked with it like that. Because a man Stonebwoy so can't send me. Can Stonebwoy also come and admit say or also can sense him because of the trends? Because Stonebwoy said you some hype and I give you some acknowledgement that you don't even deserve.
Yeah, sure.
Can you say Uni Obinya Sema Asemo Bibeka Bia, we all consider both statements. Ne adrian why na air convincing. Stonebwoy said I gave you hype when you did not even deserve it. Obetimi atase adrian asema Stonebwoy what does it mean? Does it mean say baby okotena nka say bia Samini na ye say man cry e bia nye Samini na ye man? But because he wanted Samini to look good, he said it. In this our media space, Charlie, we all do it. In this our media space, we all do it. If the new Bian put a me, I can say this to most of an BB.
Okay.
Omo name nam radio so your production as for ye. Mit me yeah adwuma bi me amatena say adwuma na ma kwatena radio so oh adwuma you producer there. I will say that for my producer to look good.
Okay.
Because anything now say because me na me no. So sometimes I can even start something. I go and sit on radio and I say, oh, this thing was created by my producer, blah, 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 blah. Yes, so that we all look good. After all, me, at every point in time, I'm the presenter. I'm the one whose face and voice, they are being sold. You are not being sold. So let me also make you look good. In the Samini, Stonebwoy and Sokasa, now people go into their business. What Stonebwoy said, is it anything to go by? Should we just ignore it or should take it as he said it? It's me Momudi as Samini said he said those things for trend's sake. I will not condemn it, that is number one. Because me, I still believe that in our entertainment industry, especially in Ghana, anything that will increase the account, as much as it is not criminal, you can do it.
Okay.
Anything that will increase the account. If it is not criminal, and run a bit in you can do it. And I'm sure if Samini said, say, as some kind, he said it for the trends, it wasn't a criminal act. So he could do it.
But I mean, when you say, what belittle a brand for just saying,
yes, and then to some people, until okay, sir, you are right. You are not wrong, you are not disrespecting him. That is what you think about him. In fact, you are thinking this way or you are saying this way because you saw Samini to some level.
Yes. Yes.
It's not all things are same way. Nobody can argue with you. Very much somebody of Phyllis says Samini Kasa, Samini Anyade. A very much view. Thousands of people might also have the same view you are having. None of them is wrong. Because send your rate you. The people have rated you in a way. Now, Okabana Bekasabe Akwe send a genie deep and Wabekasa same way. Who reduce their trust in they have for you. It's a son of Ojina. Berima, you are not wrong. He allowed himself. But once again, like I'm saying, media, after being in this industry for about 2 decades, I still want to believe that everything that you can do for the account to get pumped. Any criminal bit me afro say Samini come to police headquarters for doing this. You can go ahead to do it. Because show business, sometimes you have to fake it to make it happen. Sometimes, like I'm saying, you have to fake it to make it happen. And the showbiz there is no formula. You can fake it to make it happen. And that is what maybe Samini did. So, Mamenya said many Stonebwoy you cannot argue.
Okay. Now, but one thing, so and then I'm here, one or two sessions who said the sound class is going on tonight.
Yeah.
Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, Asaase Radio, and then Ejumedin in Air. Is he coming out to say this thing because and then Air Koswana?
Okay. Sometimes I'm not permitted to put some information I get talking to some people. But I can say to you that I think last week, Friday, I think so, maybe last week, Friday or any other day, I spoke with Shatta Wale about this Asaase sound class things. And to them, bro, let's be very honest, it is pure business. It is not even any exchange of talent as we might even say. To them, it is pure business. Asaase Radio also needs it to create an impression or to make a statement in the industry. Say yes, we ko ekoya yaba. Into na a win-win for Asaase Radio, another win for the boys who are also doing this. Now to start with, Sene and the event that Samini Babontin Bekasa. Nina part of the plan. Or more who say even going into the game, he did not mean evil.
Okay.
Today is the day we are going into the game. But to me, I did not mean evil. It was, and let's be very honest. When Samini did that, it added to the hype of the event. Because remember, I said Asaase Radio with their whole plan, no, from the launch, and I'm for details, be your money and no. Some people got disappointed. And they Samini Yamana or yeah, we could say, and you can put at the hype every anymore.
Okay.
Because after launch, and I'm for be I imagine said we were going to do the event on that day night, so every some of them they were disappointed, like, oh, what is happening? You understand?
I get it.
But yeah, call. But nothing. They needed some things to make it happen, and I'm sure Samini was one of those things.
Okay.
Samini brought so much conversations and discussions about the clash.
Okay. Okay. So basically, this clash and then and then Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale over yeah battle and the cost which year you should think say and yet say
oh no,
it's just a business.
No, you see, as it stands now, it's unfortunate say we are doing this recording before the sound clash proper. Maybe how we are even thinking it's going to be fierce, it is going to be very competitive. Hey, be great, yes, sir. Hey, be on wait time, bomb. Because looking at where the two have gotten to now, I wonder if they will do this seriously. You see, Saturday we started the West. A bra, Bini man, as one started project on friendly verses. Verses, no, yeah, was studio. Everyone's like, you bet me quiet, DJ Bakujina, Emma Sammy Flex, DJ Bakujina, Emma Berima. DJ the bombing man with the mic, the mato, you are breaking. Now DJ na bomb. That was how they did it.
Okay.
It's Samini, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. All got on there, where is the competition? And then I'll bet it put you. And then I'll bet it tomorrow. And then I'll bet it Shatta Wale, ne a friend is saying, Ninyum, I know my level not for. And then I'll bet it Gringo. But I bet my go down near body, sir. Stonebwoy now, Shatta Wale now, near about Gringo, da dindo, da area near about, it could be that. If the next year they can start to be fresh, no, they won't do that.
Okay.
I doubt.
Okay.
Like I'm saying, this is just to address the Samini saga. After the real act, your best answer, you sit down and you give it to the people. They should just wait for it.
All right, so just wait for it to the address and let's wrap it up. Now we can say with Samini. So I me from my side, me angle, me who is our little the brand, and I see yeah did it, by coming out to say he was doing all those things just to trend. As somebody over trend there, you shouldn't just attack Stonebwoy.
Bro, show business there. Be at me. Showbiz be at me. Menoti hey. I programming. Yeah program na meet me aya kurum. Hey, some flex a collapse on set. Currency a trap. Richard I record that tour. My panto the Sammy flex collapses on set. Pammy panto. You understand? Asuma be can you one day and try. So me tie na makota konya mu. Eh, mabama chichi so gumani. E fanto me. I can give you that in the next 24 hours, maybe I'll even trend on Twitter. But me, you and I know, say, you pray and I should hear me. But people will still get minutes. Hey, so I want to so sorry or not, and I do want whom you follow. No, post to Facebook, no Twitter, or you say, or post to you. Yes, be number for myself. Be number for myself. Will be glad because, and no, I'll compare ma, so I'm not, and I'll go boy. Yes. They never want it. If you don't try it, hey, I'm for back can some munesiano, or back can some pepper munesiano. I bet me up was say, as I mentioned them out transfer. But you got what I said in Crano.
Okay.
You understand?
I get it.
It's in the trends media. Me, I'm still saying that in our side of the industry, bro, yeah, pay in our industry, you know, some way. It's the obeti any criminal. Unku bia and no the beti me kaka to account ni man. Dream my and then wa hypo yo. I go for basketball all day. Ghana must go back. I sign roof biso or say or basketball. Ne ring and Ghana must go back. You have to think. Think and Grow Rich. I think there is a book like that, Napoleon Hills or something. Think and Grow Rich. It is Samini thought, but one engine here.
Sure.
Messi, we didn't consult. Send it out. Say a brand can name class you name. Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. Call Stonebwoy live. This is my suggestion to him. Next time he could apply it. Call Stonebwoy live. Only Stonebwoy, Munya live. Stone, Charlie, everything that happened, let's forget. You know, we are still blood related. We are a family. You are from high grade. I'm from Beam Lady. We are one. This evening, I'm giving you all the courage. Go and kill our opponent for us.
Sure.
Go and defeat him. Oh, yes, I do. We are Beam Lady members. Samini needs Stonebwoy. Asamba Beam. But for you to go and say, I did this for the trends, they might be disappointed. There might be thousands of others who are disappointed. Me, Sammy Flex, I see it as a game. Period.
All right, so period dear because I just want to come up with one or two things to all the fans out there of Sammy Flex production. I mean Sammy Flex TV production. What I want to do for you guys is say who do birthday and I only do the birthday. All you need to do is to just look for your production team members, lady, and then announce the number to you. What you want to do, you have to do is to just send us your picture. Any woody, any baby, location. Yeah, be post a picture. After ya wash it well, and now whatever it is, we celebrate you on this very platform. That is what I want to do for our lovely, we can say fans out there. The name officially remains MC Berima. Now, Lapiji in Team Chemo, Papa, Nana Reagan, Richie the Finest Boy Flex, and I'm last man standing, Keresi the Digitals, Rasta. Also, can't be Najimedi. Yeah, the Brem. The number is 0546. 445857 0546 445857. Over me send you a picture, your name, location, and then we celebrate you. So all I want you to do out there for me is to stay safe, be good, and stay blessed. It is peace.